This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, this is Naveen. Welcome back to Naveen AutomationLabs. So guys, today what I'm going to cover that what do you mean by order by? We will talk about this order by keyword in SQL language, and so what I'll do that before writing this particular query, let me delete this. I'm creating one employee table. Inside this employee table, I'm going to insert the data on the basis of this. Employee ID will be integer, name, age, phone number, email ID, and address that I've already covered in my previous session, that how to create the table and how to insert the data like this. So let's insert the data and let's execute it, and we will see that without any error, data got inserted. And I'll quickly check with the quick select query that select a star from employee table like this, and let's see what I'm getting. So select a star from employee table, I'm getting all the data over here. But whatever the data I have inserted into the database on the basis of exact data I'm getting 10, then 2, 32, 14, and 5, same thing I'm getting over here, right? In the same sequence, in the same order. What I want to do that I want to get the data on the basis of ascending order and the descending order. What do you mean by this? So simple, use this query, employ order by, and you have to write the column name, any column name, on what basis you want to sort. Okay, so let's see on what basis. Employee ID like this. Now you execute it, you will see first it will show the lowest number. It will show you in the right ascending order, right? So the lowest number is 2, lowest employee ID is 2, then 5, then 10, then 14, and then 32. Got it? So order by employee ID is there by default. It means uh, by default it will sort the data, sort the number of rows on the basis of ascending order. So you don't need to write any ascending over here like this. Either if you really want to write, you can write ASC over here, and still you are going to execute, you will get the same order 2, 5, 10, 14, 32. Right, so this is called ascending order. It's not compulsory to write ASC keyword. You can write one more keyword is there, that how to get the data in the form of descending order. It means descending order means in the highest to the lowest value. And then if you run it, and you will see the data that first you are getting from here, and you see that 2, then 5, then 10, 14, and 32. So you are getting inside in the form of what? In the form of descending order. The first, the highest employee ID, then 14, then 10, then 5, then 2, like this, right? So this is a very famous query, and you can apply on any column. You can apply. So let's see, I'm going to apply on some other column. So I'll do one thing. Let me comment this line, and I'll apply on let's see age. So give me all the information about the employee, order by what? Order by age column, and the descending order, the highest, the oldest guy in the company, let's see. And simple, you run it. So the oldest guy is this. Can you see that? 55. Naveen is 55 years old, although I'm not 55 years old. And then Peter, then Steve, then John, and then Tom, because age is the third column. So I'm not getting the same sequence, I'm getting in the descending order. And same thing, if you don't want to use a descending, you simply write order by age. By default, it will take inside in the form of ascending. And then you run it. Now the age will be 25, the lowest age, 35, 35, 45, and 55. Like this, you can do it, guys. Okay. You can apply order by on two columns as well. So how to do that? So let's say I simple write a query, select the star from employee table, and order by what? Let's see, order by my employee ID, or let's see employee name, okay, comma age. Then what will happen? Let's see. So let's run it, and then you see the output. You are getting employee name order by. So employee name is John, okay, then Naveen, JKLMN, then P, then QRS, and then T. Okay, like this we are getting over here. Okay, guys. So what will happen? If you are applying on the two columns, right? It will order by the country, but it will order by this, not country, sorry. It will order by on the basis of this the first value, the employee name. And if you see the age value also, age value will be adjusted on the basis of what is the age of John. So age of John is 35. So same 35 will be printed over here like this. And Naveen is 55. So it will take employee combination first. Remember this thing. It will not like, it will be confused that, okay, on the basis of employee or age. So whatever you have written first, employee, and then, okay, having this age, and you will see that John and 35, Naveen is 55, and Peter, because after N, P is coming, and after P, S is coming, Steve is 35, and Tom is 25. Okay, over here like this. So here, like guys, you have to do it. Okay, so you don't be confused that, okay, 35 is 35 should come together. No, because we have applied employee name first. So employee name it will take first. It will take J, and Steve is also 35, so it will be coming on fourth position actually like this. Okay, so this is all about order by. You can use it, right? So it's a very simple query. Like you can simply use order by, and okay. Some more concept I can tell you that and operator, or operator, not operators. That how can you use and operator, okay, and boolean operators actually. So let me comment it. I'll do one thing simple, right? Select star from employee. Okay, select star from employee. And what do you need to do? You have to use where clause, where, and you have to filter the data. So where I simple write, let's see, employee ID. Okay, employee ID is equal to, or employee ID is, or let's see, age. I would say age is greater than 30, right? And operator, I'll simple write and employee ID, okay, is okay, greater than what? Greater than 2. Now see what will happen. Age greater than 30 and employee ID greater than 2. So you can execute it and you will get the data accordingly that age should be 30, greater than 30. So you can see 45, 55 and 35 we are getting, an employee ID greater than 2. It means 32, 14 and 5. The employee ID, this guy is getting ignored, and age greater than 30 also, this Tom 25, employee ID 10 is also getting ignored. It means both the conditions should be satisfied. Age greater than 30 also, as well as employee ID greater than 2 also, both the values, both the conditions should be satisfied. Then only it will take it, right? You can apply or operator also. It means either of them. So what exactly it will do? See, it will take all the data because age is greater than 30 or employee ID is greater than 2. So simple. Although now you can say that, okay, why we are getting this, because employee ID greater than 2, it's not equal to 2. But here if you see age is greater than 30, it means 35 is greater than 30. That's why we are getting this particular value over here, right guys? So that's why accordingly it will behave like this. So this is how we can use and operator and or operator, right? And you can apply and operator or operator on multiple, let's see, simple you can write, and on the multiple conditions like this you can write employee ID greater than 2, and simple, let's see, some more thing you can add, um, let's see, okay, phone number, okay, phone number is equal to, where the phone number is equal to this, phone number is equal to this. Now it is a very filtered query, and if you run it, we are getting this, that age is greater than 30. Yes, age is greater than 30. Employee ID is greater than 2. Yes, employee ID is greater than 2. Age is 45, and the phone number is this. Okay, phone number is this, 989000944. So we are getting this particular data like this, right guys? So you can create any product query, and where you can say that, okay, hey, where the price is greater than 100 and something like this, you can write it, right? Some more examples, you can create a query where simple you can write that, okay, let me write here the query over here. So let me start from where age is greater than 30 and age is less than 40. So greater than 30 and less than 40. So greater than 30 means 35, 45, okay, and 35. and less than 40, it will be ignored, right? So if you run it, so let me comment this guy, and then you run it, and you will see the output. We are getting only two rows. Age is greater than 30, 35, 35, and less than 40 also. So less than 40, nothing is available except these two, right? But you can say 25 is also less than 40, but it is not greater than 30. So that's why this guy will be ignored, right? So like this also you can use it, and these are the very simple queries, guys, you can create, right? So let's see, I'll do one thing. I'll create one more. Um, so let me copy this, and I'll store somewhere in my okay notepad, and I'll share with you all okay later on. I'll do one thing that I'll just remove everything. I'll create a new table. Let's see, my table name is customers. Okay, customer table is there, and the data simple I'm writing. Let's see, I'll remove everything from here. Let's see, customer ID. Okay, so I simply write it like this. Let's see, customer ID. So it will be ID and integer. Customer name. Okay, age I don't need it. Phone number, customer phone number, customer email ID, and address also I don't want it. And customer country. So simple right. Country will be in varchar with 255 range like this. Okay, and yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 data I want to enter. So I'm going to insert a data like this. Customer values, integer, customer ID is let's say 10, and name is Tom. Phone number is something like this, right? And email ID is something like this, and the country I'm writing over here. So let's see, country is Peter is from USA, right? And I'll quickly check this query is working or not. So yes, this query is working fine without any error, and I'll insert multiple data over here. So let's see, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50, and this is 60. In 6 rows, I'm going to add, and I'm simple writing, let's see, Tom, Tommy, and okay, I simple write Thomas, I'm writing Steve, here I'm writing, let's see, Peter and John, and this is phone number, okay, and then 4 and something like this, and I'm let's see the data, some random data, AAA, I'm writing EB, CC, bb.com, EE, gmail.com, and FF, and country is USA, UK, Germany, Brazil, Peter is from India, and simple Australia. Okay, something like this I'm writing. I'll quickly insert the data. Fine, so data got inserted, and now I'll hit a query just to check that select star from customer table, and I'll check it is working or not. So yes, the data is coming over here. That's absolutely fine. Then what I'm going to do that I'm going to enhance this query like this, where okay, where that country, okay, where country is equal to Germany, or I can write the same column, country is equal to, let's see, India, like this. So I want to get the, the customers who are belong in Germany as well as India, and then you run it. Means we're getting only these two guys, Germany and India, Thomas and Peter, right? So like this also you can use it. This is a very common example. You can use it. You can use a not keyword also. So how to use not keyword? So simple as writing, let's see, select star from, okay, where, now see it carefully, it's very simple, where I simple write not keyword, not country equal to Germany. It means give me the customer which is not belong to Germany. It means it will give you all the countries, all the data from different countries except Germany. So this is how you can exclude it. Okay, like this also you can do that. And I'll do one thing. Let's say along with country, I'll add one more thing over here, the city. On in which city? So city is, let's see, 255, like this, and okay, like this I'm writing, and I'm adding city also. So let's see, this is comma LA, and UK. Let's see, London, Germany. Let's see, oh, in double quotes we have to write Berlin because this is a string. Okay, London, Berlin. In Brazil, I don't know. And Brazil, give me the any city name in Brazil. Uh, okay, let me. I'm simple writing ABC. I don't remember. In India, let's see, Bangalore. In Australia, let's see, this is Sydney, right? Like this. Now, I'll do one thing. I'll simple insert the data. So data got inserted without any error, and I'll write a query like this: select a star from customer where what? Okay, let me comment this and write select a star from customer where country is equal to Germany, right? Country is equal to Germany, and I can simple write and operator, and I can simple write city is equal to, let's see, Berlin. Okay, Berlin, like this, comma, and I can simple write uh, city, or I can write or operator like this, or city is equal to Sydney. Okay, like this you can write it, and let's see what happens. So here I'm getting this guy, Germany with Berlin, but or operator I have written, so it will Sydney will be excluded. So let's do one thing. I'll create one more entry with Germany, and let's see, this is 70, and that is Chris number is something like this, ff or maybe gg.com, Germany, and this guy is from Munich. Okay, and I'll simply write city is equal to Berlin and or city is equal to Munich, and let's see what happens. So city is equal to Berlin or city is equal to Munich. Let's see. So now here we're getting the same. It means I'm getting Germany and city is equal to Berlin as well as city is equal to Munich because the country name is same for both of them, right? So that's why you can apply like this also. So and or you can take it together. Make sense? Simple. Okay. Now let's see. I'll write one more query over here. Select a star from customer where I simply write country is equal to Germany, right? And then I'll be using, let's see, and operator, not country is equal to USA. Okay, like this also you can use it. So let me comment this and let's see what happens. It means give me the country only from Germany, not from country USA. So it will exclude USA like this. Okay, it will exclude USA and specifically have written country equal to Germany. So this condition doesn't matter over here actually, right? So you can simply write such basic queries. You can write it like this. It's very straightforward, very easy. You just need to know how to manipulate the data like this. Because in whenever you are doing any database testing with, and you have to hit a lot of SQL queries and everything, you have to check the data. Okay, check the user table, employee table, product table, order table. Especially in e-commerce companies and all these companies, these skills are much needed, very much needed. How will you write simple basic queries like this? Okay, so I hope you learn some basic stuff over here with respect to select query, with respect to order by, descending order and ascending order, and operator or operator, not operator, and using all these operators together, right? So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching SQL series, guys. A lot of new basic things I'll be covering, and then I'm pretty much sure at least you will have a very good knowledge about SQL after this series. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.